Alright everybody, good morning. I'll show you the difference between a true FAS board and what's considered an FAS 1 phase. True FAS will yield surface measure times 10 on both faces with the same cuttings. FAS 1 face will yield a 1 common on the pour side of the board or surface measure times 8. Reverse side will yield surface measure times 10, or FAS. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and comment. More to come.